So what's up, guys? We're making some slime.
So now we put 4 glues in there. I forgot to record that.
She forgot to record. Yeah, we making some slime. Let's get it, bro. Let's go. Put the bowl over here. You gotta sit down so they can see you.
I think there's something in here. What else we need to do? You gotta look it up. Cause we about don't know anything. We have some.
Got some old color.
Got some pink, blue.
We got pink, blue, green, and purple. So let's see. So they can see it good. From Kroger. Hey, y'all can see Kroger. Kroger right there. If y'all can't see, y'all blind.
No,
So
and then we got some
contact solution.
Elmer's clear glue. That is a good glue you can get.
For your slime, and then we got our contact solution. Let's move all this stuff out the way, or y'all can see us.
We got baking soda, don't we?
Yeah.
I got baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Here go our baking soda.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Wait.
Give it to me. It's my phone.